This is my introductory video to a series I hope to produce here on YouTube, discussing my ideas to create a mostly economically self-sufficient colony of 50,000 people on Mars. Lumped together, I call these ideas the mission to Mars. The basic idea is to recruit humans to an Earth embassy where a mostly economically self-sufficient community can prepare itself for transplantation to Mars. At that Earth embassy, the mission to Mars will create the hardware, software, economy, and government it will need to get its residents to the red planet. Right now, I have 10 videos ready to publish. Based upon the recommendation of an experienced YouTuber, I will publish these 10 videos over the course of a month. Thereafter, I hope to create one 8-minute video per week to explain my ideas. I currently envision about 60 videos, which will require more than 1 year to publish at my hoped-for rate of one video per week. I also plan to address the better comments and suggestions I receive on these videos in other videos not yet envisioned. I plan to create numerous 8-minute videos because my own experience has taught me that you get more viewers when you keep discussions short. I will say too that I believe that short videos will allow viewers to digest more easily the rather dense and sometimes complicated materials I plan to discuss. Videos I have planned currently fall into 10 different categories. Some of these categories have many more videos than others. Included as large categories will be videos about economics, government, and what I call the 3 legs of the mission to Mars. Smaller categories include my introductory videos, videos about cultural aspects of the mission to Mars, reasons to go to Mars, etc. I do not intend to wax eloquent about bold new programs of social organization to get people to Mars, or to tell you how best to design a spacesuit. Not only will clones or better spacesuits or constitutional amendments not get you to Mars, these matters do not address the 2 main reasons we are not on Mars. Rather, and this is the heart of the program and ideas, what I intend to do is to stitch together proven methods of social, economic, and other organization to get human colonies established on Mars. Not only will these proven ideas likely attract more interest to my videos, but I hope to convince people that my ideas actually can get humans to Mars. I believe that there are 2 main issues that have thus far prevented colonization. These 2 main issues are the lack of political will and the lack of financial wherewithal to make these colonies manifest in the real world. The question of technology is irrelevant to this issue. Thus my comment on spacesuit designing and my general lack of interest in arcane technical aspects of colonizing Mars. Technical issues, of course, will be numerous and even in some cases difficult to solve. Where I do introduce technical plans to get 50,000 humans to Mars, however, I do so as a straw man proposal, knowing full well that the actual technical plans eventually adopted will be better than what I propose. Any video that discusses a technical side of the mission to Mars is thereby merely to stimulate interest in the program and to provide a framework for conceptualization of what we can do. For example, a discussion of various types of spacecraft that might be used by the mission to Mars merely provides a kind of interplanetary backbone for the rest of my ideas. One of the main theses in this series of videos is, in fact, that we humans have had the technical ability to travel to Mars for decades, likely since the 1970s, and that it has only been because of the intertwined facts about the lack of financial wherewithal and political will that has kept us from the red planet. My videos will propose solutions, albeit rather complex ones, about how to solve these two problems in the real world. Again, since I do not intend to propose elaborate new social, political, administrative, or other such programs, I believe that the Mission to Mars solution I propose can solve the problem of how to get human colonies established on Mars. How the problems of political will and financial wherewithal can be solved requires a significant amount of explanation if I am not to be labeled just another dreamer. Rather, what I propose can be made to happen, and if we still have enough people left on the planet with gumption, bravery, and a spirit of adventure, it will happen. I hope that viewers of these videos will come to agree with me as they view what I am publishing here.